Is that recording?
No.
That's what we're missing.
Alright, it says hurt you all over a tree. Oh no. I got sun on me balls.
Mirror, mirror. Was
that right? Okay guys, this song is in... You need the tab. It is in the video description. Say it right. Gang, motherfucking gang. Fuck. Today we're learning... What's going... Bo. Today we're learning how... Shut up. Let's see if I can not fuck this up. Once you get done with the video, if you need it, check...
All of them are always the struggle.
All of them are the struggle, absolutely. Standard tuning, and it's only got... Oh, fuck me. Yeah. Well, I don't remember. I don't even remember what this fucking song is called. You think it's Steezy or Steez? Did I just get that first try?
Sounded like it.
No, it didn't. Don't lie to me.
Do it again.
Okay then, alrighty. I don't know. Okay guys, so this song is in not standard tuning. On that spin cycle. Mouthful.
Nailed it.
I guess. God darn it. I nailed that like a split hog, man. It would always hurt right in that same spot, and I'm just wondering, like,
that might be carpal tunnel, man.
am I just a bitch, or like, is there an issue?
There's an issue.
I banged the shit out of my head yesterday.
What did you do?
I was just being an idiot, and I was like, Jesus freaking tits on my forehead. I was like, oh, fingers are sticking together. I need like baby powder or motor oil. Fuck! Come on, sweet baby Jesus. World star! World star! World star!
Oh, what the fuck? Hold on. Joe G.
Fucking fucks. Okay, I got this. That's all of them?
That's all of them.
Hey. Like, I feel people protesting about haircuts. Still stay home. But I mean, I feel you.
We're tired of not being able to go to the hairdressers, get our hair done. It's time to open up.
And what's more chill than the ice cold blue mountains of Coors? But I'm like, hey, I'd sell out too if Coors was trying to sponsor me. White Claw first though.
Ain't no laws when you're drinking claws, baby.
That one I will say wrong, 100%. Eventually I'll start wearing a different colored shirt.
Your mom's a hoe.
Shut them damn dogs up. Whoever's talking, your mom's a hoe. I'll fight him. Baby don't give a fuck. COVID. Immunity.
Website. How? What the fuck?
Sir! It's okay, I fucked all that up anyway. What's going on?
That's an airplane.
That's an airplane.
At least we know what that one is.
Yeah, the other one I was like, Jesus? Is that you, Jesus? I'm bleeding, I think. Wow. Okay. Yo! It's a wrap. No, that's it. Cigarettes.
Rolling.
I'm French. I'm not French. I am German. Okay, guys. This is fun to play. I just rambled that out of my ass. Like, I think I blacked out for a second.
Gus Dapperton, first aid.
Dappy boy. Yeah. The Lord was with me.